Even for Euro painting it also mame. If some say Afia Prempeh, it was about this particular image. Now you'll be shocked or you'll be amazed. Say picture we by in circulation not only you know. Minim the because minim back end. Ain't minim the traffic is due and the order, but me kaisa as a pointer. Now why ya akonye Euro akonye. Why yeah, set for one more Facebook live, the Umbuna at a cross or any hobby, Nanim board na sports na ye. Aside sports, unim she. We will for you now. You run a Gina honor right too. But we heard Chash show. I heard no 2 for Pukuar and a Dahonu. And sana the sea table on a son, meaning Prempeh the second.
Yeah.
Oh, it is not just you radio book net Dahone crown for you. Now, oh yes, and change any way, and who should they jar you nimuno? That time they white. Oh, now all the pencil now draw now on for painting and kind. Yes. So hanging as that time we images we. I think these were the ones that a trendy crown more. Also, who image now be suit him say be Asantehene. But we heard the coming of it. How I was here. That image we are kasa. Gallery for the car say yeah, and I say ona na hodo ena ma ode ye yima no kitu na me nto aso me machine na me busa ne sa we gallery for there na say nya ye ona na hodo
me na hodo we nya gallery work.
Okay.
Yeah, we say me ankasa me personal painting na me person me ye de share era en monyam na Asante man so
what went into it? Say ona na hodo there. What went into this particular painting?
First and foremost me ko painting no internet. Even me didn't kind the actual picture no he was with a group on Kofor and I selected that particular image because and only catch me eye. Okay. And surprisingly that image na nkasa no me the chair not obo nose mask.
COVID time you know.
Yes. So I me pekwa me fa so me nose mask ne free na no. Na me see me enya nanim.
And I say we Asantehene ne nzo untimi nka say nanim entoma na na ifra ne no no o yi sa na nim ne de abehye we mu cause any atare ne kramfa.
But I created that.
Wow.
There was another picture of him. Me fasa nitino.
Okay.
Ebe see we say so and then it fitted perfectly.
Wow.
With that crown. It fitted perfectly. So I got that image of him and I'm like, okay, I wanted to create me person me details be on in chain. But then the thought that came to mind was to make something about Ashanti kings. And make us the present king, you know. Ono na dominate our frame.
Yeah.
And no, the way I made my painting, no, he's so vibrant and so alive and so colorful. But the past kings, no, you see them in the details behind him.
Okay.
You know, me do poku worry ebe share frame on chi. And I'm there Prempeh the second. A statue because I remember say statue is me who na me quite sorry since he print Anglican Cathedral and there's this statue there. And you know I pick my inspiration from all over the place. Meet me who be you know. Exactly.
Normal person must have been a grandma at a class see or them.
So I picked me share that who could try a statue.
Wow.
And I'm the beshimo. And then I wanted to put Prempeh the first in the book. So what I did was get a picture of him.
Even we are actually so bit zoom book net down mention flag ni si ho no sa picture no. So o kind na me hu ko me hu that picture na wo books mo a na so wa chia ne ho kakra.
Yeah.
One kan ka me hwe sa na me say ana ne kra.
So what I did was me printed the picture.
Okay.
And I'm found me ankasa me book. And I'm the picture no a tari book name. And I'm in BMU and then I took a picture of it myself. To me nya pose na me no. And then I sketched it and then I put it on that table. So that's how come I got those details on the so I'm also trying to research on other kings because I don't know the past kings no.
I tell for me so one more here live on Facebook no. The Afia king na ma Yvonne Zoom ya ma we Euro in phone ni nchen a book bi da ho a ye bie mu Who said Prempeh the first, right?
Yeah, that's
Prempeh the first. Prempeh the first, Prempeh the second. Otumfuo Pokuware, then Otumfuo Seyitu Otosumi. You know.
Exactly.
Nice.
So I'm trying to find other kings, and then also we don't sway details, like maybe 2 or 3, but there'll be tiny details. Yes. But it will be all around him.
Now we cross here. Can you hear my behu nyoma bebre aye hu no physically?
Exactly.
Like we hwe na ayan kanje wa hu.
Yeah.
Ade esi we say don't choose a day. We be say have ka chem say na natete am diska gum. Enti gold na say ya tetere dem no. It's almost everything that you see in the painting has an in-depth meaning.
Oh yes.
And e be say no ne mado machede na den eno na made kese na amukra na you don't just say it. Into no na waka say artist statement no. Eno na yefan say won creator no be din komo.
Exactly.
Waka dia to krata so na waka gu na so mama na ka no.
Sa into no ne betro e wo krata so. Into no o ba ho awun hu no. When you read the statement everything starts to make meaning. Then you realize oh okay, this idea we say this is the meaning. Into no I also want my paintings, I want it to be very educative. And to say, who be big crown what kind of artist statements, you know? Maybe wanna make more research on it, maybe wanna the history on that. So I want to promote the Ashanti history. I want it to be very educative, informative, you know, whatever it is. I want it to teach.
Particularly me reference to video picture ya can want see me. Star Prempeh the first baby or second war Opokuware 1 year wa kabiti will be at to baby but who say is in an order.
Yeah.
Oh Pokuware or koi into Obukumu. I Prempeh the first Obukumu esa. The next one is sculpture image of Prempeh the second is Kakra. Otumfuo Pokuware de no who say kese wo mero mu. Asa na Asantehene ujinem gidi pampe. Okay, see name.
Ujinem.
If you are regala before na je na say oh.
Omanje, we dem pe me na dia. Me na dia.
Asma mbese me kan hwa na you me di.
Enkasa.
Ko we dey in case you dey more money we dey you. $1 trillion because yes I believe these are some of the images that makes your work what it is.
And there's one thing, even if you look at the table, or that sculpture table in 9 now.
And it's a picture on one printable.
No, it's a painting.
On Facebook picture na born is a painting.
Oh yeah, and then it depicts the authority of
Jata anje kwa mi hunu nu nine.
Exactly.
Baako ne nine said that round that be as a ball.
Yeah, so that lion depicted the authority of the king. I had to everything there represents the authority of the Ashanti kingdom. But be am the details be share a bit jina for a be represent BB about the kingdom, the empire Bibiano. I think and then I inserted there.
That's number Jeff, yeah. You know, these are kind of the people for on Osekom Kwanso on Opemsuo 104.7 ana ye pese ye ka omo ho asem ye bo omo ho daru ye ma mo ho nyuma wo mo di esansa wo hwe adwen poeta akiri wo hwe kwan a wo fa so de ye ya kamenu mienu ni DJ Simple nyombo nko ade anka dance okay na de Ghana atakran so betena ha na Real Madrid na Barcelona na Yvonne Subeman we yi na Prince so the campus vibes in mu omo treasures omutiewu Afia Prempeh na ti ha yedi ne honkomwe nipa bi say na the kind of works they do no. I also feel proud when I have you guys on my show to talk about the life journey, what goes into your work and how much I was able to appreciate what it is that you're doing. Because I do who be a now be busana or because I me share fear de no na inspiration na me nya na me mpese be SMS me any de intini me de koye we. So you see how it will prolong until 20-30 years from now. You benya or before front so all draw current Asantehene or bekono this same line the uniqueness be account Afia, you're doing well for yourself.
Thank you.
And I'm proud to say you're doing well for Asantehene. So
thank you so much.
I can only wish you all the best.